Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how we can get the last row of Excel. And as you see here, I have this Excel file where I have some record here, and I want to get what is the last row of it, so that from the 6th row I start appending some of the data. Now you can do it from the normal activities for sure, but if sometimes the normal activity fails due to the Excel file is more complex, having the update links, and it is in edit mode, it having some pop-ups also, external links pop up. So in that case the normal activity is not able to read it quite properly, then you can use this invoke code, where I have defined here the two variables. One is file path, where I have given the file path here, and one is out last row, which will going to give me the last row. Before that, you just make sure that you should install the package, which is Microsoft.Office.Excel. You just install it from the packages, and let me just describe the code of invoke code. You have to declare these much of variables: Excel app, workbook, sheet, and range. In Excel app, you have to you store the new application class. This is the try catch I have built it for to handle the exception handlings. Now you have to read the file. You have to get the sheet. So this is the sheet 1 I have given here, because from the sheet 1 I want to read the data. This is the range that will going to give you the last row, the last range of that particular Excel. And when I do the Excel range dot row, this will going to give me the count of the rows. Now how many rows it is having, what is the last row of it. Now I am just storing it in the last row, out last row variable, Excel dot visible false if I don't want to show up that Excel, and then saving it and closing it. And at the end, finally I'm quitting that Excel app object. This is it, and this will surely help you to retrieve the last row, which is giving it right now is 5. And in the Excel, if we see, yes, this is the 5th row, and the last value is pigeoned in it. Now you can do +1 to it and start appending data from here. How you can append it? There can be many ways, like you can use the right range activity. Give here the right range activities. You can give the file path here, then the sheet name, then the new data table that you want to append it. Right now I don't have any new data table, so I'm just writing like DT, writing it as a DT. Now here is something that you need to do is from which cell you want to append the data, and till which and what is the row number of it. And the row number is the the row number is last row number, and you have to write down, you have to mention as .toString, because it is integer type. It is gone, so this is, I have not created it, so that's why it is giving the error here. And before this activity, just use one assign activity, where in the last row, in the last row you have to do +1. Now the value will be 6 here, and from the 6th row it will start appending this DT. So this is how you can use this invoke code. And you have any issues on this particular push, comment on my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.